Hello my dear viewers, welcome back. In this video, we will study the lesson number 7 of grade 2, that is we need a house. In this lesson, we will recognize the need of house and understand the need of living together. And we will also understand the different portions of a house, and we will recognize the different types of waste and garbage produced at home, and we will know the correct way of disposing them. And we will identify the situation around our house, and also we will study about the house which we live in. Okay, now see here children, answer this. Where do you live? You live in house. Name the members of your family children. In your family, which are the members will be there? Your father, your mother, your brother, sister, grandfather and grandmother. Next, do you have any domestic animals in your home? If you have, you can write here. Okay, where do they live? If you have any domestic animal in your home, where do they live children? They live in your home only, right? Or else you will make a small home outside of your home for the domestic animals. So we need a house to live, and our animals also need a house to live, right? Match the animals with their dwelling places by drawing lines. Dwelling places means the places where the animals live. Okay, see here on the left animals are there, and in the right side there are houses. So we have to match the correct animal to their correct house. First, rat. Where do the rat live children? Rat lives in a hole, so we will match this for hole. Lion, den, we will match for den. Bird, bird lives in nest, we will match for nest. Cow, cow lives in shed, we will match for shed. And snake, snake also lives in hole. So there is a difference between the rat hole and the snake hole, so we will match for them. We all need a house to protect themselves from cold, wind, rain and the sun, right children? So likewise, animals also need a house to protect themselves from cold, wind, rain and the sun. Okay, see this children in the picture. What can you observe in this picture children? You can see the different family members in the picture, and all of them are doing the different type of work, right? So by seeing this, let us answer the following question. Who are the person living in the house given in the above picture? See children, in the above picture, who are the persons living in the house? You can see father, mother, grandfather, grandmother, brother and sisters, right? So all they all are living together. What are they doing children? All are doing the different types of work, right? Yes. What work do you do at your home children? See children, you all are big children now, you all are in second standard. You have to help your parents. Okay, so tell me, what are the works do you do at your home? So, and whatever work do you will do at your home, you have to mention here. Okay, the small works like taking care of the pet animal, cleaning your place where do you live, cleaning the room where do you live, and keeping the books at the place. So small works you should do, and you have to help your parents. Okay, usually the members of the family who live together in a house shares work at home, and all the family members will live happily with each other by helping each other. Okay, see here children, here is a picture of a house. Now we have to write the names of the portions of the house that you know in the space provided. In the house you are having many portions, many rooms, right children? Yes, so here you should write what are the different portions of the house that you see in the pictures. You will be having a living area, right? Living hall, yes, then kitchen room. Then you will be also having the terrace. In this picture you can see the terrace, right? So we will write here terrace, and also you can write bedroom. Okay, now answer me, how many doors does your house have? Children, you have to count the doors of your home. How much ever doors you have in your home, you can write here. Next, also you have to count the windows of your home, and you have to write how many windows do you have in your home. You have to write here. Okay, name the different parts of your house. In your house, which are the different parts you can see children? You can see living hall and dining hall, kitchen room, bathroom, bedroom, study room, right? Yes, whichever the different parts of home do you see in your home, you can write here. Okay, next, see here one picture story is there. By seeing the picture, you have to complete this story. Okay, see, I will read the story. Arun got up in the morning and went to the, see children, which picture is this, where the Arun is going? Arun is going to the bathroom. So went to the bathroom to wash his hands, legs and face. Later mother called him to the, see children, which picture is this? Which hall is this? Where does the mother calling the Arun? This is kitchen. So mother called him to the kitchen and gave him milk to drink. In the kitchen, father was assisting mother in cooking. Father was helping the mother in cooking. Okay. Next, in this picture, what do you see? In the living hall, Arun's brother was watching the television. His sister was reading in the study room. Grandmother was sleeping in the bedroom. So children, now you have to write the answers in the given box. Okay. Where do you sit for studies in your house, children? In your house, you will sit for studies in study room, right? So we will write here study room. In which room of the house do you sleep? You sleep in bedroom. Next, in which room do you have food in your house? You have your food in your dining hall, right? Dining room. What do you call the room where you sit and chat with your family members in your house? So it is called living hall, living room. Okay. Where do you wash your hands, legs and face, children? As I have told you, we wash our hands, legs and face in the bathroom. Okay. So these are all the different types of portions, different types of rooms which you see in your home, right? Next, so children, there will be separate rooms in some houses, and some houses halls will be very big, and the different rooms are used for different works. As we have studied above, as we have mentioned above, there are different rooms for the different works, right? For cooking the food, we are having the kitchen room. For studying, we are having the study room. For sleeping, we are having the bedroom, and for sitting and chatting, we are having the living room, and for washing our hands, legs and etc., we are having the bathroom. So different rooms are used to do the different works, right? Now see here children, this is the Peter's house and Peter is standing at the door. Now we have to write here, what do we see in front, behind, left and right of Peter's house. Okay, we have to identify and we have to write here. There is a dash in front of the house. What is there in front of Peter's house? There is a small garden, right? So we will write here garden. There is a dash on the left side of the house. On the left side of the Peter house, you can see the playground where the boys are playing. So we will write playground. There is a dash behind the house. There is a field, empty field behind the house. There is a dash on the right side of the house. The Peter were standing at his right side. There is another one house on the right side. Okay. Now observe around your house and write what are the things which are there in front of your house, on the left side, on the right side and on the back side of your house. You have to write here. Okay. Next. See children, this is Rama and Ravi's home. Okay, this is the Rama and Ravi's home. They are doing the different types of works. Now let us see what they are doing. See, what is Rama doing? Rama is putting the peels of vegetables, fruits, flowers, leaves and green into the dustbin. These are all the wet things, right? The peels of vegetable, fruit, flowers, leaves, these are all the wastage which will be in the wet form. And see here, Ravi is putting the dry waste like paper pieces, plastic, chocolate covers into the another dustbin. So the Rama and Ravi are putting the wet waste and the dry waste into the different dustbins. You also have to do the same in your home, children. Okay. Now tell me, where is Rama putting the vegetable waste? Rama is putting the vegetable waste into the garbage box. Where is Ravi putting the plastic and paper waste? Ravi is putting plastic and paper waste into the dustbin. Okay. So now tell me, what are the waste do you find in your home? home? Children, in your home you also find the peels of fruits, vegetables, plastic papers, etc., right? So you all also have to put the dry waste and the wet waste separately. Okay, what do you do with the waste in your home? Children, the waste which is gathered in your home, what will you do with that? You will put it in the garbage which is very far from your home, or else you will put it to the person, you will give it to the person who will come to collect the garbage near your home, right? So children, here some of the things are there which you should do. Okay, see here, we have to put all the peels of fresh vegetables, fruits into the dustbin, and after we can put those things in the dustbin, we can also use them again by preparing the manure of it. So we have to prepare the manure and put it to the plants. If we will put the manure to the plants will get the nice soil and it will grow nicely. Okay, we have to keep our house neat and clean, and we should not throw the waste on the street, and we have to give the waste every day to the person who comes to collect it. Every day near your home one person will come to collect the waste with a vehicle, right? So we should give that waste every day to the person who comes to collect it. Okay, see here is a picture of a house. If you want to live in this house, what changes will you make? Write the changes in the space given below. The house which you are seeing here, how is this, children? This is not good, right? It is broken, it is not nice. So what the changes will you make to make this house neat and clean and nice? See children, here fencing is not proper, it is broken. So we will correct the fencing, we will put the fencing nicely, and also you can see here doors and windows are also not nice, it is broken. So we will manage the doors and windows to be proper, and we will paint the house. See here, the paint is also not good, so we will paint the house, and we will keep all the things surrounding neat and clean. Okay, see here children, one activity is there. You should join the dots and color it with the color of your choice. If you join this dot, a picture of house will form. You have to join the dots and color it with the colors of your choice. Okay, and you can also prepare a house using mud, thermocol, cardboard, etc. Okay, so here one small poem is there. You can also sing and enjoy. This is all about the lesson number 7. We need a house of grade 2. If you want the more lessons, if you want the lesson number 1 to lesson number 6, you can see in the description box I have put the link over there, and you can refer from there. If you want the more lessons after the lesson number 7, you can subscribe to my channel to get the further updates. Thanks for watching.